Top reasons a chiropractor visit is worth your time. Chiropractic care is a patient-centered, hands-on, holistic healthcare program focused on the spine, joints, muscles, and nervous system. Our chiropractors at the Right Spinal Clinic use data-driven methods and clinical expertise to determine the factors affecting your body's movement. We treat your agonizing pain and symptoms without medication or surgery and prevent them from returning. Here are some of the reasons a chiropractor visit is worth your time. Alleviate pain. Chiropractic care is a proven method for treating chronic body pain, migraine, muscle spasms, sciatica, whiplash, and other injuries. Reduce stress. A misaligned spine often leads to mental and physical stress. Chiropractic adjustment can address this problem, making it easier for you to manage stress. Improve posture. More and more patients experience pain and discomfort due to poor posture. Chiropractic treatment can correct bad posture and relieve pain through spinal manipulation, body stretching, exercise, and counseling. Elevate mood. Chronic pain can easily affect your mood and quality of life. Chiropractic can help reduce your pain and restore your body function. Several studies have also shown that regular chiropractic care can help people with depression and ADHD. Boost immune system. Chiropractic care goes beyond neck or back pain relief. It improves spinal health, restores joint function, and supports the nervous system. As a result, regular chiropractic adjustments can help boost immunity. Improve sleep cycle. Regular chiropractic care can help treat different sleep disorders, including insomnia and sleep apnea. Chiropractic adjustment or spinal manipulation can decrease your body's stress hormone, or cortisol. This hormone is one of the main causes why people have a hard time sleeping at night. So are you ready to get your life back? Visit the Right Spinal Clinic today. Call us now at 813-392-2164 and schedule an appointment. Walk-ins are also welcome with no waiting time.